Hi, it's Julien Barker from South Street Chiropractic, and I'm here with one of our team members, Kathy, who we're just going to go through and get adjusted. And Kathy's just been telling me she's a bit stressed, so we're going to focus on those issues. So, okay, good. Knees down there, and if you climb up, Kathy. Okay, so there's a couple of things to check if people are saying they're stressed. We definitely see upper trapezius can be involved, T8 tends to be involved, and it's also worth just checking glutes and piriformis muscles. But we'll just run through basic scan. Okay, Kathy is a level in position 1, level in position 2. Normally, if anything, it's historically been a left PD, but I've been adjusting Kathy for several years now, so that's a good start. Okay, so squeeze your knees together and let go. Okay, so left hand up behind your back and swap your hands around. Both hands up behind your back together, and both back down by side. So quite a clear L4. Put your right hand up behind your back again. Hopefully you can see that as I bring up. Definitely we're getting left leg goes longer there. Arm back down by side. Okay, so get the crest of the ilium, come across, that finds us L4, across to the articulating process, and the line of drive is anterior superior. Okay, so right hand behind your back again. Good, and back down by side. Okay, left hand up by your face. That's the one. Big deep breath in and out. Right hand up as well. And both back down by sides. That's actually the T8 test and is okay. Pitch both shoulder blades up behind your back and back down. Okay, that's good. Turn your head to the left. Good, lift the left shoulder off the couch and back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears and back down. Good, squeeze the left elbow flat against your side and let go. Squeeze the right one in and let go. Okay, shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. So hopefully you saw that as Kathy squeezed the left and right elbow in, we got the change there. So we have a right medial, left lateral scapular pattern. Do this on setting 2. Scapula and the humerus, adjustment on the ulna and the distal metacarpals, and on the right medial scapula. So drop the arm off the side into the radius. If you watch the second finger there, there we go, and into the lunate. Good. Just lift up your head and back down. Tuck chin down to chest and back to centre. Just do that again. Tuck chin down to chest, back to centre. Just coming up a little bit on the left side there. And typically, and Kathy being a good example, is often on the PD leg you'll find that the adjustments require on that same side. It's when things start going ziggy-zaggy that there's usually more symptoms going on. Down to setting 1 and get onto the atlas. Tucked up behind the ear, find the mastoid process, just drop off of that. Okay. And well done for not screaming. Okay, let me just double check. Tuck your chin down to your chest, back to centre. Yeah, good. Stretch your left hand towards your left knee, and let go. And right hand to right knee, and let go. Okay. So checking through the upper trapezius muscle. So turn your head to the right. That's actually a C2 test, and worth just checking. I know Kathy's had issues there past, but that's okay. Dip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. Now bring your left shoulder up towards the back of your head. And that's actually levator scapula. You can see how that's gone on there. So head back into the centre. Just check the other side first. So turn your head to the left. Tip the back of your head towards your right shoulder. Bring your right shoulder up towards the back of your head. There we go. Head back into the centre. So we've got levator scapulae coming up on both sides. So finding the angle of the scapula there. It's right on that angle there. It's usually a bit tender in there. That's on setting 2. Same on the other side. Yeah, okay. Levator scapulae attaches to C1, 2, 3 and 4. We've effectively checked 1 and 2 twice, but we haven't checked 3 and 4. So let's just do that. So turn your head to the left and look up top left corner. Now look down at your left shoulder. There we go. C4 on the left. Head back into the centre. Okay, so let's find our way into C4. Drop off the occiput. That's C2. There's 3, there's 4, come across, and the line of drive is anterior superior and slightly medial. Turn your head to the left, look up top left corner, look down at your left shoulder. Good. Head back into the centre. Okay. Turn your head to the right, look up top right. Look down at your right shoulder. Head back into the centre. Excellent, good. Was there any other area of your eye you want to be thinking about or checking?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, good. There we go. See you next time.